In this session, we will see the constraint toolbar. In this, first one is constraint defined in a dialog box. Now I want to make these two elements of endpoints coincide. So press Ctrl and select the line endpoints and go for the constraint defined dialog box. So I said previously, depending upon the selection of the elements, here the constraints are going to be highlight. You can give the distance, or you can apply the coincidence, or you can use the fix also. And my requirement is coincidence constraint, so apply the coincidence. Now coincidence constraint is applied here. This time I am selecting line elements, not endpoints. I am taking these two elements and I want to use these two. For this I need a parallelism. I can apply the parallel, or I can make it as perpendicular. Depending upon the requirement, I am going to use it and accept it. So by using this, we can apply the parallel and coincidence. Next, I am taking one circle and one more circle here, and this circle is going to become as a fully constraint. I am giving external constraints also, so that this circle is fully constrained. Now I want to make these two circle centers at coincidence, that is, I want to apply the concentricity. So select the two circles and go for the constraint defined dialog box and apply the concentricity. Concentricity is applied between these two, that is, circle centers are matched. Now two elements are there. I want to make symmetry these two lines as symmetry to the vertical axis. So I am selecting these two elements by pressing Ctrl. Then I need to make the symmetry to the horizontal axis. Press Ctrl and select this axis also. Then go for the constraint defined in a dialog box and apply the symmetry. So symmetry is applied for these elements, or you can apply the parallelism. It's already they are in parallelism. I am applying the parallelism constraints. Okay, this is about constraint defined in dialog box. Next we will go for the simple constraint command. For this line I need to specify some dimension. So select that constraint command, select the element to place the dimension and position it. Here again I have some two elements. I want to make symmetry these two lines to the vertical axis. Previously we have seen with the help of this command. Now we will see with the help of this command. So when you are using this command, no need to press Ctrl here. I am selecting these two elements without pressing Ctrl. Actually it is displaying the distance, but I need a symmetry. So I have not positioned here. Before positioning, right click, allow symmetry line to vertical axis. Pick the vertical axis. Symmetry is going to apply for this vertical axis. Like this also you can apply the symmetry constraint. Contact constraint. I am taking some of these elements. With the help of contact constraint, just I am picking these 2 points. For that a constraint is applied. Once again you can see contact these two endpoints, constraint is applied, and I am selecting these two elements. So tangent is going to apply, tangent constraint is applied here. Once again I am picking these line endpoints. Now the point constraint is going to apply. And the third one, I am selecting these two circles, so that concentricity is going to apply. Select these two, concentricity is applied. So with the help of contact constraint, coincidence, tangent